crowded square. Magic's floating in the air. Open books and off we go to lands that only dreamers know.
Tina saves a star. Tina is a small robot with a red eye. She lives in a village. The sky is big and wide. One night, a star falls down. It goes to a dark forest.
I will find it,
Says Tina. She rolls to the forest fast. The trees are tall and shadows move. Tina looks for the star everywhere. She cannot see it anywhere.
Where is it?
Says Tina sadly. An owl hoots and has big eyes.
It is by the rock.
Says Owl. Tina rolls to the rock quickly. The star is stuck in green vines.
I need help.
Says Tina. A frog hops up and says,
I can jump.
Frog jumps high and pulls the vines. The vines do not move at all. A mouse runs up and says,
I can bite.
Mouse bites the vines with his teeth. Tina has a good idea.
We can work together.
Says Tina. Owl points, frog jumps, mouse bites. Tina pulls hard with her arms. The vines break, and the star is free. It shines very bright in a forest. Tina takes it back home to the village. The village is happy and claps for Tina. They put the star up high in the sky. It shines for everyone to see. Tina, owl, frog, and mouse dance together. They are friends, and Tina's eye shines. The village is safe and happy. Shadows! Dark shapes made when light is blocked, like a shade on the ground. Vines, long, thin plants that grow around things like ropes in a forest, stuck, cannot move like when something is held tight. Hoot! The sound an owl makes, like a loud hoo-oo. Shines, gives off light, like a star or lamp glowing. Together with others, like a team doing something as a group.